Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Acquire Knowledge. I am Rajesh. Today we are discussing about endocrine systems of human. Let's start. First time जानिबा endocrine gland काहाकु कहइबा. The study of endocrine gland or ductless gland. The study of endocrine gland or ductless gland. Ductless gland is called as endocrinology. Endocrinology. Okay. आमे एंडोक्राइनो ग्लैंड को कहि परिया मध्ये आमे डक्टलेस ग्लैंड कारण से एंडोक्राइनो ग्लैंड सीक्रेट्स हार्मोन एंड एक्सोक्राइनो ग्लैंड सीक्रेट्स एंजाइम. एंडोक्राइनो ग्लैंड सीक्रेट्स हार्मोन डायरेक्टली इन द ब्लड. सो आमे कहि परिबा एंडोक्राइनो ग्लैंड इज ए डक्टलेस ग्लैंड. और एंडोक्राइनो ग्लैंड को आमे पढिबा को बा स्टडी करिया को आमे कहिबा एंडोक्राइनोलॉजी. The study of endocrine gland or ductless gland is called as endocrinology. Then the Thomas Edison is called as the father of endocrinology. Thomas Edison is called as father of endocrinology. Thomas Edison endocrinology को introduce करथिले. The father of endocrinology, Thomas Edison. Next, endocrine glands secretes always hormone. First टाइम hormone आमे कोन जानिबा. The definition of hormone. What is hormone? What is hormone? Hormone is a chemical messenger. The hormone is a chemical messenger produced in one group of cell, travels via blood and affect the other group of cell. This other group of cell is called as target organ of the hormone. Hormone chemical messenger बड़ी काम करे. से हर ग्लैंड रो सिक्रेशन हो कि एंडोक्राइन टिश्यू रो सिक्रेशन हो. A group of cell travel via blood माध्यम रे से टारगेट ऑर्गन को करी थाए. The chemical messenger produce one group of cell travels blood and affect the affect the other group of cell. Other group of cell is other group of cell are called as organ of the hormone. The term hormone, the terms, the term hormone was given by Baylis and Sterling Baylis and Sterling in 1902. The term hormones was given by Baylis and Sterling in 1902. 1902 ମସିହାରେ ହରମୋନକୁ ହରମୋନ ନାମ ୱାର୍ଡଟିକୁ ବାଇଲିସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଲିଂ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ କରିଥିଲେ। ଦେନ୍ ଆମେ ପଢିବା types of endocrine glands. Mainly the endocrine glands are divided into 4 types. ଚାରି ଭାଗରେ ବିଭକ୍ତ କରାଯାଇଛି endocrine glands କୁ mainly. Four types of endocrine glands. First one is pure endocrine gland. Pure endocrine gland. Pure endocrine glands. Pure endocrine glands रे आसी pituitary, thyroid and parathyroid. Example: pituitary, 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 thyroid, parathyroid, then second one is exocrine gland containing endocrine tissue. केते गुडी organ रे exocrine glands अछि एवं endocrine tissue मध्ये अछि ताको हमें कोइ परिया mixed gland of the body. Exocrine gland containing endocrine tissue, endocrine tissue. Example, pancreas. पेनक्रियास को मध्य हमें कोई परिया मिक्स ग्लैंड ऑफ द बॉडी मिक्स ग्लैंड. Okay. Then second one is local endocrine tissue. Local endocrine tissue. Example, local endocrine tissue ମାନେ କେତେ ଗୁଡିଏ ଟିସ୍ୟୁ ଏଣ୍ଡୋକ୍ରାଇନ୍ ଟିସ୍ୟୁ ଯେମିତି କି ଆମ ଗେଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋଇଣ୍ଟେଷ୍ଟିନାଲ ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ରେ ଯେମିତି ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା ଗେଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋଇଣ୍ଟେଷ୍ଟିନାଲ ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଗ୍ୟାଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋ ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ. And last one, temporary endocrine structure. Endocrine structure. Example, placenta. Example. First ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା pure endocrine glands ର first example pituitary gland. Pure endocrine gland. First ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା pure endocrine glands ର pituitary gland. Pituitary gland. Pituitary gland को हमें कोई परिया master gland of the body. Pituitary gland. First के pituitary gland कौन हमें जानिबा. The human pituitary gland is a T-shaped structure present in the depression of sphenoid bone of skull below the hypothalamus. The human pituitary gland is a T-shaped structure present in present in the present in the depression of sphenoid bone SPHENOID sphenoid bone of skull. human pituitary gland ଟା ଗୋଟେ ଟି ସେପ୍ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର, ସେଟା ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ସେଟା ଅଛି ତା ଡିପ୍ରେସନ ଅଫ ସ୍ପିନଲ ବୋନ। ଆମ ବ୍ରେନ୍ ଆମ ହେଡ୍ ରେ ସ୍ପିନଲ ବୋନ ଅଛି, ତା ଭିତରେ ଖାଲ ଜାଗା ଭଳିଆ ଅଛି, ସେଇଟାରେ ଆମର ପିଟ୍ୟୁଟରି ଗ୍ଲାଣ୍ଡ ଅଛି। And below the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. The depression of spinal bone spinal bone is called as sella turcica. So जो ଖାଲଟାକୁ ଆମେ କହିବା, ସେ the human pituitary gland is a T-cell structure present in the depression of spinal bone of skull of spinal bone ର depression ଖାଲ ଜାଗାରେ, ଏବଂ ସେଟା below the hypothalamus ର ତଳକୁ ସେ ଖାଲଟା ଥାଏ। ଆଉ ସେଇ ଖାଲ ଜାଗାଟାକୁ ଆମେ କହିବା the spinal bone of skull is called as sella turcica। ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସ ରେ ବହୁତ ଥର ପଚାରେ, କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଆସେ ଏକ୍ସାମ ରେ। Um, the pituitary gland remain the pituitary gland remains attached to the hypothalamus by a stuck-like structure called infundibulum. The the pituitary gland remain attached to the hypothalamus by a stuck-like structure called infundibulum. Hence, hence, pituitary gland otherwise called as hypophysis. Hence, pituitary gland otherwise called as hypophysis. Okay, pituitary gland remain attached to the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus को attach ହେଇଛି by a stuck-like structure। ସେଇ stuck-like structure को ଆମେ କହିବା infundibulum। ଏବଂ pituitary gland otherwise ଆମେ pituitary gland କୁ ପୁଣି ଆଉ ଅଲଗା ନାମରେ କହିପାରିବା ତାକୁ hypophysis। Pituitary gland otherwise called as hypophysis. Functions of pituitary gland. Pituitary gland controls and regulates all the endocrine glands by its secretion hormone. Hence, pituitary gland is otherwise called as bandmaster in the endocrine orchestra. The pituitary gland controls and regulates all the all other endocrine gland, endocrine gland, all other endocrine glands by its secretion by its secretion ACC by its secretion hormone. Hence, hence pituitary gland is otherwise pituitary gland is otherwise is called a bandmaster master in the endocrine orchestra. ORCS. Okay. Pituitary gland. What is the functions of pituitary gland? The pituitary gland controls and regulates all other endocrine glands. ଯେତେ ବି endocrine glands ଅଛି, pituitary gland ତାକୁ control କରୁଛି ଏବଂ pituitary gland secretion କରୁଛି hormone. pituitary gland କୁ ଆମେ ମଧ୍ୟ କହିପାରିବା, otherwise we can say pituitary gland is otherwise called as bandmaster in the endocrine orchestra. Pituitary gland divided into two lobes. First, anterior and adenohypophysis and neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis, we can say anterior lobe. Neurohypophysis, we can say posterior lobe. Pituitary gland divided into pituitary gland divided into two lobes. Two lobes. First one is adenohypophysis. Adenohypophysis, or we can say anterior lobe. Anterior lobe. Second one is neurohypophysis. Neurohypophysis. Neurohypophysis or posterior lobe. Posterior lobe. First time जानिबा anterior lobe or adenohypophysis. Adenohypophysis. Adenohypophysis divides in three parts: pars distalis, pars tuberalis, pars intermedia. Adenomyosis তিন বারে বিভক্ত হয়েছে। ফার্স্ট পার্ট pars distalis, and second part is pars tuberalis, and third part is pars intermedia. Adenomyosis first part pars distalis, second part pars tuberalis, third part is pars intermediate. Okay. The secretory cells of the secretory the secretory cells of adenohypophysis is called as pituitarides. The adenohypophysis ର ଯେଉଁ secretory cells ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଆମେ କହିବା pituitarides. Secretory cells of adenohypophysis is called as pituitarides. Pituitarides. The adenohypophysis secretes the seven important hormones: somatotrophic hormone, adenocorticotrophic hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, follicular stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, prolactin stimulating hormone, melanocyte stimulating hormone. The adenohypophysis secretes the seven important hormones. These are: first one is adenohypophysis secretes seven important hormones. Seven hormones. First one is somatotrophic hormone. Somatotrophic hormone, or we can say in short form STH. 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 Second one is adenocorticotrophic hormone. Adrenocorticotrophic hormone. Adrenocorticotrophic hormone. এবং আমি তাকে କହିପାରିବା short form ACTH. ACTH. And the third one is thyroid stimulating hormone. Stimulating hormone, and we can say in short form TSH. Fourth one is follicular stimulating hormone. Stimulating hormone ଏବଂ ତାକୁ ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା short form ରେ FSH. FSH. And fifth one is luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing, luteinizing hormone. You can say in short for LH. And sixth one is prolactin hormone. Prolactin stimulating hormone, PSH. And seventh one is last one is melanocyte stimulating hormone, melanocyte stimulating hormone. We can send short for MSH. MSH. Okay. First, we are discussing somatotropic hormone. But আমি ତା ଆଗରୁ ନ୍ୟୁରୋଏଫାଇସିସ୍ category ଆମେ ଜାଣି ନେବା। ये ଥିଲା ଏଗ୍ନୋଏଫାଇସିସ୍ ର ତାର ପାର୍ଟସ୍ ଏବଂ ତାର ସିକ୍ରେଟ୍स ହରମୋନ। ଆମେ ଏବେ ଶିଖିବା ନ୍ୟୁରୋଏଫାଇସିସ୍। ତାପରେ ଆମେ ୟାକୁ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଡେସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିବା in details. Neurohypophysis. 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 Neurohypophysis को हमें जो कही परिवार posterior lobe। ଏବେ ଦେଖିବା ତାର division। Neurohypophysis it contains two parts। It contains two parts। First, pars nervosa. Pars nervosa, and the second one is infundibulum. Infundibulum. Infundibulum remains attached to the hypothalamus of the brain। Infundibulum टा हमर ब्रेन को अटैच ହେଇଛି। fundamental remains attached to the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus of the brain. ଆମେ ପଢିଥିଲେ the secretory cells of adenohypophysis is called as pituitarides. ସେଇପରିକା the neurohypophysis ରେ ସେମିତି cells ଅଛି. The secretory cells of neurohypophysis is called as neurosecretory cell. The secretory cells of neurohypophysis neurohypophysis is called as neurosecretory cell. Neurosecretory cell. The neurohypophysis secretes the two important hormone, vasopressins or the ADS, and another is one oxytocin. Right. Neurohypophysis secretes two important hormone, First one is vasopressin. और ताको कोई परिया में ADS. And second one is oxytocin. Oxytocin. First functions हमें देखिबा the functions of adenohypophysis. The functions of adenohypophysis. First hormone adenohypophysis रो हमें देखिबा STH. You can say somatotrophic hormone. Somatotrophic hormone. First हमें देखिबा the functions of somatotrophic hormone. It helps in the protein and it helps in the protein, carbohydrate, and fat metabolism. First functions. It helps in the protein, carbohydrate, and fat metabolism. Second point, promotes muscular and skeletal growth. Eta somatotrophic hormone ये protein, carbohydrate and fat को metabolism रे साहाଯ୍य करे. एवं the second point is promotes muscular and skeletal growth. ଇଏ ମଧ୍ୟ ମାନେ ମସ୍କୁଲାର ଏଣ୍ଡ ସ୍କେଲିଟାଲ ଗ୍ରୋଥ ରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରେ। ପ୍ରମୋଟ୍ସ ମସ୍କୁଲାର ଏଣ୍ଡ skeletal skeletal growth. And third point, the hypersecretion cause the hypersecretion cause gigantism in children and acromegaly in adult. Hypersecretion of hypersecretion cause hypersecretion cause gigantism gigantism in children and acromegaly in adult. Acromegaly in adult. यदि हाइपोसिक्रेशन मीन्स कम सिक्रेशन यदि कम सिक्रेशन आम सोमाटोटिक हॉर्मोन टी हबो एटा छोटिया छुआ छोटिया पिलांक तो देखा जीवो डीजेस ता गिगांटिजिम डीजेस र ना एंड एक्रोमेगाली इन एडल्ट एथला हाइपोसिक्रेशन ता हाइपोसिक्रेशन यदि अधिक मात्रा रे सिक्रेशन हुए सॉरी एटा हाइपोसिक्रेशन थिला हाइपोसिक्रेशन ऑफ जो अधिक मात्रा रे हुए हाइपर हाइपोसिक्रेशन यदि कम मात्रा रे सिक्रेशन हबो डुआर्फिज्म डुआर्फिज्म यदि এটা কম মাত্রাରେ সিক্রেশন হবো সোমাটোট্রপিক হরমোন এଥିରେ ଆମର ডিজেস হবো ডুয়ারফিজিং ডিজেস କହନ୍ତି ଯଦି ଅଧିକ ମାତ୍ରାରେ ହବ ଅଧିକ ମାତ୍ରାରେ ଯଦି ସିକ୍ରେସନ ହବ ଏଇ ହରମୋନଟି ତାହେଲେ ଏଟା ପିଲାଙ୍କର ଦେଖାଯିବ ଦ ଚିଲଡ୍ରେନ୍ସ gigantism in children and acromegaly in adult. Then we will discuss next hormone TSS, second hormone. ये सब हम कहबा थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन TSS को हम कहबा थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन it stimulates the thyroid gland for the secretion of thyroid hormone. It stimulates the thyroid gland for the secretion of thyroid hormone. এটা ଆମେ thyroid gland ପଢିଲା ବେଳେ ଭଲସେ discussion କରିବା because these hormones are these hormones stimulates the thyroid gland for the secretion of thyroid hormone. এটা thyroid gland ପଢିଲା ବେଳେ ଆମେ ଏ ବିଷୟରେ in details discussion କରିବା next ଆଗକୁ third hormone ACTH. Adrenocorticotropic hormone. Adrenocorticotropic hormone. It stimulates the adrenal gland for the secretion of adrenaline hormone. It secretes the it stimulates the adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. It stimulates the adrenal gland for the secretion of adrenaline hormone. For the secretions of adrenaline for the secretion of adrenaline hormone. The secretion of adrenaline hormone. ଏଟା ବି ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ ଏସିଟିଏସ୍ ଏଡିନୋକର୍ଟିକୋଟ୍ରୋପିକ୍ ହର୍ମୋନ୍ ଇନ୍ ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ରେ ଆମେ ଏଡ୍ରିନାଲ ଗ୍ଲାଣ୍ଡ ଖୋଲିଲା ବେଳେ ଏହାକୁ ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବା। Fourth one is follicular stimulating hormone FSH. We can say follicular stimulating hormone. Follicular stimulating hormone. It stimulates the testes for the production of spore by the process of spermatogenesis in male. এটা মেল ক্ষেত্রে কোন করে না ইয়ে আমার স্টিমুলেটস করে प्रोडक्शन ऑफ स्पर्म को टेस्टिस को स्टिमुलेट करे स्पर्म रो प्रोडक्शन को बढ़िया पई बा स्पर्म रो प्रोडक्शन करिया पई ये टेस्टिस को स्टिमुलेशन करे इन एटा मेल क्षेत्र देखा जाए। इन फीमेल एफएसएच स्टिमुलेट्स द ग्राफियन फॉलिकल सेल्स फॉर द सिक्रेशन ऑफ एस्ट्रोजन। इन फीमेल क्षेत्र देखा जाए एटा ये एफएसएच स्टिमुलेट्स करे ग्राफियन फॉलिकल सेल को सिक्रेशन ऑफ एस्ट्रोजन। it stimulates the testes for the production of spore by the process of by the production by the spore by the it stimulates the testis for the production of spore by the process of spermatogenesis. Process of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis in male. In female, FSH stimulates the Graafian follicle cell for the secretion of estrogen for the for the secretion of estrogen. Estrogen. Then fifth one. Then fifth one. LH. LH means luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone. In female, it stimulates the secretion of progesterone hormone from ovary. In male, this hormone stimulates the interstitial cell or Leydig cell to secrete male hormone called testosterone hormone from testis. Luteinizing hormone कौन करे ना से female female उनका in female luteinizing hormone the secretion of progesterone hormone ओभारी रू progesterone hormone को secretion कराए ଏବଂ এটা male ମାନଙ୍କ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଆମର interstitial cell और ताको Leydig cell ଆମେ କହନ୍ତି से sperm secretion मतलब testosterone secretion କରିବାରେ help କରାଏ in female luteinizing hormone in female secretion of progesterone hormone progesterone hormone progesterone hormone from ovaries from ovary in male this hormone stimulate this hormone stimulates the intest interstitial STI interstitial interstitial cell or Leydig cell Leydig cells to secrete male hormone called as testosterone testosterone hormone testosterone from testis লিউটিনাইজিং হরমোন কোন করে না ফিমেল অঙ্গ ভেতরে সে স্টিমুলেট করে ওভারি কে প্রজেস্টেরন হরমোন সিক্রেশন করে ইন in female. In male, this hormone stimulates the interstitial cell or Leydig cell to secrete male hormone called as testosterone hormone from testis. And sixth one is PSH. PSH. Prolactin stimulating hormone. Prolactin stimulating hormone. Now it stimulates the milk secretion after the birth of the child. ये milk secretion helps करे. It stimulates the milk secretion after the birth of child. Secret. It stimulates the milk secretion after the birth of child. Birth of child. Seven one is MSH. Melanocyte stimulating hormone. Melanocyte hormone. It helps in the production of melanin pigment in the skin and the temporary darkening of the skin due to the overproduction of MSH from the anterior pituitary. It helps in the production of melanin pigment in the skin and the temporary darkening temporary darkening of the skin due to the overproduction of MSH from anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary. Actually, these are the seven important hormones of adenohypophysis. Then we can then starts neurohypophysis. The neurohypophysis or posterior lobe secretes the two important hormone. The neurohypophysis for posterior lobe secretes two important hormone, two hormone. First ADH, first on it ADH, or we can say vasopressin. It helps in the reabsorption of water in the distal convoluted tube. First point, it helps in the reabsorption of water in the distal convoluted tube. ADH or vasopressin it helps for reabsorptions of water in the distal convoluted tube. A kidney ର reabsorption of water ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରେ water reabsorption ରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରେ. And second point is it relax the urinary bladder for the storage of urine. Second point is it relax the urinary bladder for the storage of urine. Urine storage relax करे. The deficiency in this hormone causes diabetes insipidus, in which dehydration of the body takes place. Insipidus, in which dehydration takes place. ଯଦି ଏଇ ହରମୋନ ଡେଫିସିଏନ୍ସି ହେଇଯିବ କମିଯିବ ତାହେଲେ ୟା ଏଥିରେ ଡିଜିଜ୍ ହବ ଡାଇବେଟିସ୍ ଇନ୍ସିପିଡସ୍ ଯାହାକି ଆମକୁ ଡିହାଇଡ୍ରେସନ କରେଇଦବ. Second one is oxytocin. It stimulates the concentration of uterus to explosion of the pill at the time of delivery. First point, it stimulates the concentration of uterus is to expulsion 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 of the field at the time of the body express. Sorry, it stimulates the it stimulates the concentration of uterus to expression of the field at the time of delivery. Field at the time of delivery. At the time of delivery. Second one is second point is promotes the uh, promotes the ejection of milk after the birth of the child. Promotes the ejection. Birth of the child. Oxytocin hormones कौन करे ना ये मतलब more milk promotes the ejection of milk birth after the birth of child. Okay, this is the seven important hormone of adenohypophysis and two important hormones of oxytocin, two important hormone of neurohypophysis. Okay, this is the all. This is the all is about pituitary. And next class, we are discussing thyroid. Okay, okay friends, যেମାନେ ନୂଆ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ଅଛ ପ୍ଲିଜ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ କରିବ ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର କମେଣ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ।